Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Getting ready to do a mobile weld repair today, and unfortunately it's on something new instead of my old junk. So here's what happened. I don't know what happened on this. This is my new dump trailer, but washer fell off on the tarp. I checked the other side, hit it with a pair of vice grips pretty hard and it didn't come off. Didn't have a hammer, but somebody put this in. It's like a cold weld. Looked good, as pretty as can be, but no penetration. If you can get that on camera, that's what happened. There was only two spots, right there and right there. You can see the bare metal. It actually burnt in. So quick simple fix: titanium flux 125, and I got my cordless grinder, but we're going to try to do it off this today. And if you've been with me, you know I've been talking about doing this for fence and corner post. It should work fine, but we're going to run the welder off this little generator right here today and run this flux core welder here, so I don't think there'll be any problem. I won't fix the trailer, and neighbor's revving up hot rod over there, but try to get this welded back on because it's kind of a pain. So it's just one of those things, you know, it happens. But I will set the camera up, bring you along, but I'm going to start off by grinding this, cleaning this up, and then get everything welded and put back together, and we'll come back and I'll show you end product, set you up. So hang on just a second, set you up, we'll get started. All right, everybody, got it done. So that wasn't too bad. Let me get my stuff off here. Shut that generator off so you could hear me, but worked like a dream. I figured it would. You know, for farm use, instead of buying one of them big expensive Miller Bobcats or Lincoln Pipeliners or something, even trying to find used junk, you know, a new generator you can pick up about 400 bucks and 150 there, you know, 550, plus you got backup generator on your house, so that works pretty good. But did the mobile repair today, mobile welding service type thing, but it worked good. Kind of a shame I had to even do that, but that thing's still scorching hot. I'm gonna let it cool off. I'll clean it up and paint it, but went on good, welded good, wasn't no problem at all. So I won't have to worry about this thing flopping off anymore, but not too bad. I kind of like this setup. But like I said, that's just that Harbor Freight Flux 125, welded like a champ. I don't know if you heard it, but that just barely kicked in, so all worked well. I don't see any reason why I can't, you know, weld your corner post up, or if you're on a farm, you're always breaking something, or doing something like this, you're always breaking something. So it's kind of handy to have that option for a mobile welder there, and pretty simple. So I guess I'm gonna go back to doing wood, but I'm gonna cut the video off. Just thought, you know, someone might find this interesting, and if you're thinking of the welder, that's a great one for a beginner as well, and you can just pick it up, do stuff like this, and about any generator, you know. So it's 110, you can pack it anywhere. But I guess I'll cut the video off. So as always, hope you like it. Leave comments below what you think about the little mobile setup. Hopefully I don't have to do this very often, but you know, never know. So as always, like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.